This is an exercise about sighting to the horizon. The equation d equals the square root of 2h can be used to approximate the distance d in miles that a person can see to the horizon from a height h in feet. How far to the horizon can you see through an airplane window at a height of 28,000 feet? Well, we're going to use this formula, and because the height h is 28,000, we're going to substitute 28,000 for h in the formula. And let's do that where we have a little more space. This is the formula, d equals the square root of 2h, and h is 28,000. So we have d equals 2 times 28,000. And when I do the multiplication, I get 56,000 under the radical symbol. And when we use a calculator to approximate the square root of 56,000, we get approximately 237. So the distance that you could see from that height is approximately 237 miles. Now there's a second part to the problem as well. Christina can see about 261 miles to the horizon through an airplane window. How high is the airplane? And remember, we have the formula d equals the square root of 2h. Now this time we know what d is. We know the distance to the horizon, and we want to find h, the height of the airplane. So we'll substitute 261 for d, and then we'll solve the equation. And to do this, after the substitution, I'm going to square both sides. We have 261 squared equals the square root of 2h squared. 261 squared is 68,121. And that's equal to 2h. And when I divide both sides by 2, I get 34,060.5 is equal to h. So we can say the airplane is 34,060.5 feet high.